How to replace a cable lifeline in an FTR Plus. The FallTech FTR Plus is the latest innovation in self-retracting lifelines. This Class 2 leading-edge SRL takes all the great features of the industry-leading FTR and combines them with an easy-to-replace speedline cable system. In this video, we break down every step you need to replace an FTR Plus lifeline safely and properly. All the necessary tools to replace a lifeline come with your purchase, including your FTR Plus device, a replacement cable, spacer tool, screwdriver, and hex key. Before starting, place your device on a clean, flat, and level surface with the warning label side facing up. In our first step, we're going to use our screwdriver to remove the visible tamper-proof screw just above the device's lifeline opening. You can verify this is the correct screw after removing it. It will be marked red. Do not remove any other screws as they hold the entire assembly in place. Next, pull out the black plastic orifice. Extend the lifeline till you see the line lock mechanism. Then insert the spacer tool behind the lifeline to keep it extended in place. Using the hex key, remove the screw atop the line lock. This will let you remove the mechanism. Detach the pin from the line lock and remove the mechanism from the lifeline. Now you can disconnect the lifeline. Now we're going to prepare our replacement cable. Place the plastic orifice on the lifeline, followed by the line lock cap and the line lock body. Slide the body of the line lock towards the tip of the lifeline, then into the connector of the device housing. Insert the locking pin into the mechanism, reattach the cap, and insert the screw to finish reassembling the line lock. Remove the spacer tool and retract the lifeline back into the device. Reinsert the plastic orifice into the housing. Make sure the orifice's visual indicator is aligned with the tamper-proof screw opening. Insert the tamper-proof screw and secure it into place. Now you're finished. As with any SRL, always have a competent person inspect your repaired FTR Plus before every use. To learn more about the FTR Plus, visit FallTech.com.